Now, coming to the final topic of the unit, and that is data independence. Let's see what data independence means and what is the importance of data independence. Now, data independence is basically defined as the ability to change one level without affecting others. Now, which level we are talking about here? Uh, just before this topic, we have studied about the database architecture, and there we have studied about the three layer level, and those were external level, conceptual level, and physical level. Right? We have studied how things work at all of these levels. Now, if we change one level of this architecture, right, then other also have to change. But data independence is the concept, is the ability to change one level without affecting the others, right? What does it do? It makes the database easier to manage and easier to update, right? It improves flexibility and system life. It reduces user and developer problems, right? Because user and developers they have to then if things are changing, if the physical level changes, if we also have to change the conceptual and the external level, then the users will also get disadvantage. They also again has to get used to the new interface, right? Now it is important because it saves cost and time, right? Let's say you have changed the external level, and now because of that you also have to change the physical level or the devices that were being used in the physical level, then this is not a profitable thing, right? So data independence, this concept basically saves us time and cost. So there are two types of data independence: logical data independence and physical data independence, right? And let's study about logical data independence. So what does logical data independence mean? It means that the change in logical design should not affect the user's view, right? If we are changing which data structure to use and right which device to use, it should not change the user's view. For users, the application should remain the same. For example, adding a new column to a table, right? Users continue using the app normally. It has evolved database without disturbing users, right? And this data independence, it works between the conceptual and the external level, right? It keeps application stable. Now coming to physical data independence, what does physical data independence mean? It means that changes in physical storage or physical level should not affect logical design or logical level, right? For example, moving data to a cloud or new storage system, right? By doing this, we have changed the physical storage, but it should not affect the logical design, right? And if it is happening, then it means that physical data independence is taken care of. Uh, so the users and apps stay unaffected even if we move it to the cloud, right? It improves performance and storage flexibility, right? Why does it improve performance? Because now, let's say for some storage purpose, we have to shift to some cloud or some new storage system. But even if we do so, we do not have to change the other layers of the architecture. So that's why it improves performance and flexibility. So it works between internal and conceptual level, right? You can see it in the background as well. It supports hardware or storage upgrades easily. Yes, this is what physical data independence means. Hardware or storage, we can upgrade it with time, and hence by doing so, it provides flexibility. Now, summarizing this unit. So, in this unit, we have learned what data is and why proper management of data is important, right? We have also understood the problems with traditional file systems and need for the database management system, right? We have seen that why traditional files were prone to redundancy and inconsistency, and how our database management system encounter all of those things, right? All of those challenges. After that, we have explored how database management system helps store, organize, and secure data better, right? We saw different type of data models and how database are structured. After that, we learned about database architecture and the concept of data independence that we just studied, right? This built a stronger foundation for deeper database topics in the future. I hope you understood all of this. Thank you.